In the meantime, the health minister says the country's first vaccine doses will be those developed by AstraZeneca and the Serum Institute in India. Dr. Tufton says he was advised that these vaccines will soon be available to the country as part of the COVAX facility organized by the World Health Organization, WHO.
This availability is pending emergency use listing from the World Health Organization. The expectation remains that it will be available for delivery during the first quarter, as we have said, meaning in April. The AstraZeneca vaccine requires cold chain capacity that we already have in country, and transportation and storage of these vaccines would be reasonably accommodated. Thereafter, the next vaccines that become available through the facility would be the Novak, Johnson & Johnson, Janssen.
Still to come this evening, major probe underway after murder of 4 homeless men. And in business news, South St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce launched. We'll be right back.